have a pretty well-stocked liquor bar, so if none of our specialty cocktails
today, and as we get underway here, just to let you know a little bit about the boat we're traveling on. The Spirit of Seattle, the Coast Guard documented vessel that is licensed and inspected each and every year. We have a ticket for 500 people, so we have a mountain of life preservers.
And 2 years before that, the business got started. Captain Lynn Campbell operated a ferry service. And if you look off the port side, the left side of the boat, you can see what today's ferries look like. That's the Kitsap Fast Ferry Finest, which goes between here and in the rehabilitation department. Probably the favorite story among us Argosy tour guides would be the story of Mishka the Sea Otter. 2015, she caught asthma from forest fire smoke. They were able to train her to use a cat's inhaler by pushing her nose on the button whenever she needed that extra medication. As far as research goes, they have a pretty cool feat under their belts. They were the very first to be able to breed the giant Pacific octopus in captivity. That's the largest. Starting to open up here off the port side. I'll mention a couple of the buildings that we have here in town. First and foremost, the Space Needle. If it looks a little strange to you right now, you would not be wrong, and that is because the top of the building is painted in its original color, known as Galaxy Gold.